See, it is important when you participate in interview school because you get to know where you are in terms of market. During your education, you would be going through a lot of things where you are compared to other colleges, where you would be, you wouldn't get a proper opportunity to implement whatever you learn. So, comparing with other B schools, you would have a better idea. For instance, we fought with ISB, a college that is literally revered all over. So, when we one-on-one battled with them and we won over it, that gave us a better perspective that we are beyond our brand name. See, Prayas as a club is something that is every college should be having one or the other inter-school contest club because that helps you by bringing up the contest which we as students wouldn't be having the time or the resources to search and apply for others. And by adding it, they also help one more thing by including a lot number of the promotional activities in the college. For instance, many teams participated for the same event, so we could have a better idea how we are compared to our colleagues, and this also helped us reach in a higher position. Prayas as a club helped us in terms of coordinating with us throughout. First and foremost, the advantage which we had with the club in general was they brought in a contest such as this in the college. I mean, we couldn't as students appear to each and every company and see what contest they are offering. So that is the first advantage we had. And the next one was the coordination which we had. I mean, till the end of the event, we could count on Divyanshu for whatever we needed in terms of coordinating with the company, what are the requirements we need, transportation and all these aspects. So this is something where the students are benefited by the club in general, and considering that it will in the end affect you or impact you as a participant is what makes this a kind of a selfless club. As a brand name, I don't think students can do a lot until and unless the college is doing something in that regard. For instance, for example, our team won over ISB, but despite the fact of victory, when the companies come across, ISB students would be paid at least 100% more package than what we would be getting, and that is something the college has to manage, not us. So in this regard, though students should be participating in more such events when clubs like yours would be bringing this, by the end of the day, building the brand is something that could be only achieved when the college steps in and not just through the students regard themselves. That's as soon as we got the cases, we had 2 rounds in this. So in each of the round, we tried to solve it on our own, but the main advantage which we had from the college was through the CDC director, Mr. J.B. Muralidharan. I mean, he was someone who helped us show the proper direction when we were actually going in the wrong path, and that was something that really helped us because we were able to answer questions before we were even put up before those questions were even put up by the judge panel back then. So this is a way in which that helped. And as far as the process of participating goes, I think we went with our guts. I mean, each one of us brought in our points, we debated, we discussed it, we contradicted our statements, then we tried to find solutions in our own way. And the last couple of days, we solely focused upon framing up whatever data we found and summarizing it into a proper format. And yeah, that's been the real challenge because our biggest asset was we researched a lot. I mean, we did not leave anything in terms of data. We looked into all sorts of data which is available, and we even asked around the people, the real clients, the companies, etc. So yeah, that's about it. That's the process, and the help which we had from the college, as I mentioned, it's from Mr. Muralidharan sir, who's been really helpful till the end of it. So yeah, that's it.
One of the judge was the operations side of Google. The other was the CA of NetElixir, and what they did actually was the basic how we actually searched, how we researched our whole program for promoting the event for the case study. Then next was the data that we collected, the way we analyzed the data, the way we actually presented, and the way the marketing strategies were used. That was the basis of all the judging criteria. It feels really good to win such an event at a national level, and that too competing in front of colleges like ISB, then IMT and everyone, and that too in front of judges who were part of Google, who were part of the next NetElixir, and everyone in the campus obviously knows about us now, and that's really good, a good feeling.